Hey everyone, Matt Pisarcik from Razor Emporium coming at you today for a quick product spotlight looking at the wonderful world of Shavemac. Well, Shavemac is a handmade brush company that has its roots in Germany. It got started in 1956, doing mostly acrylics and woodwork and other plastic kind of works for many years. It wasn't until 1995 that he got started with actually making brushes, and that's really kind of the revival of wet shaving kind of came around the same time. And so he rode that wave, that upswing and popularity of people going back to the old world way of using a brush to make a lather. And they're some of my most favorite brushes on the market. It's a one-man show, and you know we have had a long relationship with Shavemac. We've originally carried them back in 2011, 2012, and kind of fell away from carrying them for a while. But we contacted them about 2 years ago and decided to pick them back up, and I'm really glad we have. Our customers seem to love them. I love the look, the quality, the materials, the knots. They're fantastic. And we did do a spotlight video not too long ago, but we only had 3 or 4 models, and now you can see, as I always say in these spotlights, as the brand does well, we'll always kind of go deeper in with that brand and kind of get more. And I'm really happy with these new varieties of acrylics he's doing. You see, it has this same kind of hand poured look to the acrylic mold, and that's been a really big popular trend with guys doing brushes these days. I'm personally, I think the classic kind of solid colors always look really cool, but I can tell you that this is like the new big thing, is people doing hand poured molds and then turning these into brushes and polishing them up. They're absolutely gorgeous. I personally took advantage of one of these from another artisan recently, and I've come to really like it. I can see why. They have a really unique look. They look, handmade, and maybe your significant other sees you and says, "Ooh, that's really beautiful. That's so nice." You say, "Oh, well, it's my new shaving brush. I treated myself to it." But Shavemac is known mostly for badger hair, and he's big into badger hair, and he's got lots of different grades available, from the most basic up to the most finest grades, super silver tip and all this kind of stuff. He does offer vegan lines with a synthetic. We personally don't carry any of them. I'm going to be biased out there. I'm a badger fan. I think most customers out there are. Synthetics have been gaining a lot more popularity. We may dive in next time we order. We may get some more synthetics from him, some other kind of varieties. But I think his badger is second to none. The knots are so well made. They have just the right amount of backbone, the right amount of fullness. This is the real deal, guys. So just a real quick product spotlight today. I do like the new packaging as well. It's another reason I wanted to do today's video, is he has changed his packaging from kind of the more rectangular boxes to these little tubes, which is actually, for us, when we were pulling all these out for the video, it's a lot easier to get in and out of, and I think they're really cool. Easy to pack, easy to ship, easy to travel with even. You can throw it in there and travel if you wanted to. So that's all I got. If you've used a Shavemac, if you have a Shavemac, tell me below in the comments. I want to hear from you guys. That's all I got. We'll see you guys next time at Razor Emporium for all things vintage shaving. Thanks, guys.